My father had a shirt. My father had a shirt, a beautiful soft flannel shirt. He wore it outside when he'd work. Sometimes he wore it inside. And sometimes he wore it when he would give me a ride. In his shirt, he looked so handsome and strong. One day he told me that his leave was up. The next day he was gone. I knew my father did important work far, far away, but still I missed him anyway. I'm sure this is going to have a happy ending. To purchase this book and see all of the Sally Huss books, go to sallyhuss.com. This book, like many in Sally's collection, is also available in a multicultural version.